It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert Mr. Gopal today to explain the NRI taxation for equity mutual funds. Gopal, over to you.
This is for an equity oriented fund. And as far as non-resident Indians are concerned, if you invest in equity oriented fund, for example, you have been investing in SIPs and over a period of time, 10 lakhs you have invested and you get a return of, let us say, 18 lakhs. So when you redeem, okay, so 8 lakhs is your gain. Now, if it is a short-term gain, it is taxable at 15%. And if it is a long-term, it is taxable at a concessional tax rate of 10%. But you have to also note one more very, very important point, all of you, that this concessional tax rate will be subject to that 1 lakh basic limit not taxable. Okay, so this is a basic exemption that has been given. So that means if you have in the same example what I give, so you have invested 10 lakhs, but you sell for 18 lakhs. So this 10% will be applicable only not on 8 lakhs, but on 7 lakhs. Because 8 lakhs is your gain. 18 minus 10, 8 lakhs. But anything above 1 lakh, that is 7 lakhs. On 7 lakhs, you will pay 10%. That is 70,000. That is what will be taxable. So step by step, I have to actually discuss on mutual funds. Now, for example, you have got dividend from this equity oriented fund. Dividend will be taxable. So because at the applicable slab rate, if you are in 30% slab, it is taxable at 30%. Okay, of course, they will also deduct TDS. So on the dividend, there will be a TDS that will be deductible. So that also will be there. Now come to the TDS part. As I told you, they will deduct 20%. So if you are in 30% bracket, so you have to pay that additional 10% only. Okay, so that's what.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.